Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the structure of chlorophyll A. We'll begin by understanding its fundamental components. Chlorophyll A is a fascinating molecule, crucial for life on Earth, enabling plants to capture light energy. Its intricate design includes a large, flat head and a long, flexible tail. This unique combination allows it to embed itself perfectly within the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts, ready to perform its essential function. Now let's construct the core of chlorophyll A, the porphyrin ring. Imagine 4 small, 5-membered pyrrole rings. You'll connect these 4 rings using single carbon atoms, known as methine bridges, to form a large, cyclic structure. Remember to alternate the double and single bonds throughout this macrocycle to represent its aromatic nature. This creates the head of our chlorophyll molecule, a crucial light-absorbing component. With the porphyrin ring in place, we'll now add the central magnesium ion. This metal ion is coordinated by the 4 nitrogen atoms of the pyrrole rings. Next, we'll attach specific side chains. A methyl group goes on one pyrrole and a vinyl group on another. Also, a propionic acid group, esterified with methanol, is crucial for its function. These additions fine-tune the molecule's light absorption properties. Finally, we complete the chlorophyll A structure by adding its long, hydrophobic phytol tail. This 20-carbon alcohol chain is attached via an ester linkage to the propionic acid group, which is itself connected to the porphyrin ring. This lengthy tail is essential for anchoring the chlorophyll molecule securely within the lipid bilayer of the thylakoid membranes. It ensures the molecule is perfectly positioned to capture sunlight for photosynthesis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.